Here's a breakdown of the trading strategy I use.
So for the Euro USD trade, which I took first thing in the morning, here's what happened. I waited for this 1 hour candle, which was, as you can see, a rejection candle. It had a very small body and big wicks, and it took out the highs of the previous US session and the previous Asian session. This is the first hour in London time. Once I have this pattern, then I switch to the 5 minutes. And in the 5 minutes, what I was looking for was this one. So as you can see here, this was the last low before this high was made. And after the rejection, we have a fair value gap. So this was the fair value gap, which is here. Now I waited for the price to go back into the fair value gap and entered. Now my target was the low of the session, so the low of the Asian session, which was this one. So here's my sell, and this was my stop loss. So my stop loss, since this was the fair value gap produced here, my stop loss was the high of the candle which produced the fair value gap. This one candle before it. So this is the fair value gap and this is the candle before it. And my target is at least 3 to 1. So this was even 3.4. So this was the trade. Okay. This was how I took the trade on the Euro US dollar. Now, as the market moved down, as you can see here with clear candles, 3 strong candles with momentum, I waited for at least to have like 10 pips between the target and the current position, and then I moved my stop loss to break even for the first trade, and I added some trades here, so to multiply the profit and keep the same risk as before. So I would only be risking 20% of the account in case the market moved up again. So this is how I did the Euro US dollar trade.